Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Anvi and I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle, DIY challenges, vlogs, all the good stuff. So please subscribe to my channel if you're interested. And today I hit 700 subscribers. Oh my god, that is huge. And I love you guys and thank you guys for all the support that you've given me throughout, and I hope you continue to do so. And another thing that I have to give a disclaimer about before I start this video is that very evidently, apparently, I have changed my glasses, and this is a new thing, new change. You guys must also be thinking, oh, it's looking weird, but I'm adjusting to it. You guys should also adjust to it because this is the new me now. Getting into today's video. So I've seen a lot of creators do this video where they share their favorite products from Amazon, and since Amazon is a very common name in every household now, especially during the lockdown, it was our only way to shop. So I've done a lot of shopping from Amazon, especially during the last year 2020, and I thought that I should share my favorite products with you guys so that I can tell you guys about them and you guys might find them helpful and might want to buy that stuff. So yes, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite products with you guys. All the links to all the products will be in the description in case you want to buy them. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I've divided all the products into three categories. The first category is the self-care kind of category, which has all the shampoo, conditioner, all those kinds of things. Then the second category is the random stuff, which has a lot of random things picked out from here and there, collected together. And the third category is clothes. So I think first we are going to start with the self-care category. Okay, so the first thing we have in the self-care category is this conditioner. So this is a Sunsilk Perfect Street Conditioner, and basically my hair is very frizzy naturally. So since I started using this conditioner, it has helped me a lot to calm down the frizziness a little, also make them a little more straight, and it is honestly been a life-changing hair product for me and I love it. So if you guys have the same problem, if you guys want a little more straight hair, and if you guys already have wavy hair, then I think you should definitely go for this product. I definitely recommend it. It's cheap, it smells great, and it is perfect. The next product is also something related to frizzy hair, and this is something that I recently got like 3 days back. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil, which is a hair serum. So especially after I got my hair colored, I feel like they've become a lot more frizzy. Like especially after I wash them, I have like a lot of volume and not in a good way. So I really needed a serum to help me calm down that volume of hair. And I only use this once as of now, but I think it worked really well. It gave my hair that shine, it calmed it down, put it kind of into place, and I really liked it. It was not that expensive and it had two sizes. I bought the small one because I didn't think I needed the huge big one, but you can choose your size according to your need. And yeah, I think it's really nice as of now. The next products are three products but from the same brand, which is M Caffeine. So this brand is really trending, especially on Nykaa. I saw this and I always wanted to buy it, but I never did because I thought that it was too expensive to splurge on, and I'm not that big on skincare, so I did not want to buy it myself, but my dear best friends got it for me for my birthday. So I have three products. I have the M Caffeine body scrub, the face wash, and the face scrub. So I haven't used the body scrub yet, but I've used the face scrub and the face wash. So in case the name is not self-explanatory, M Caffeine, because these products contain coffee. And on top of that, when I tell you that it smells amazing, I am not kidding. Like it literally smells like I'm putting on a perfume when I use these. So these are amazing. I love the texture, the quality, the smell, effectiveness. Yes, of course, it is effective also. So I think these are the best. I really recommend them. You should totally go for it. Okay, the next category of things is the random things. So the first thing that I have is again another gift that I got from my friend. So it is the moon lamp, and I think it's pretty self-explanatory. It's the moon lamp because it looks like a moon. So this is like a textured ball which is a lamp. So it has a button here and I can switch it on. As you can see, it's this very amazing cute light. It looks very aesthetic and cute, and the best part about it is that it changes colors when you tap on it. So it has a lot of colors that keep on changing as you tap on it, and then it's back to the phone light. So yeah, this is amazing. It also comes with this cute little wooden stand. You can keep it on top of it, keep it on your side table, night table, whatever, and it looks so cute, so aesthetic, works also amazingly, and I totally recommend it. The next product in the random things is this painting palette. I don't even know if you guys can see it because it is a transparent acrylic palette, but you can probably see this patch of paint on it. So of course I've already used it. It's this painting patch, but I really needed a painting palette, and it's weird, yes, that I paint so much yet I didn't own a proper palette. So I thought it was about time that I bought one, and I got this acrylic palette from Amazon. It has this thumb hole here so that you can put your thumb inside it and you can hold it while you're painting. It has 4 holes here to keep your brushes also. It is amazing quality and I really loved it. It looks really cute also. So if you're looking for a palette, I think this will work amazingly. The next product is actually a ring light. So I have been wanting a light for my videos and my content for so long, but I didn't want to get the proper huge ring light because of course, like, where will I store it? I didn't want it also because it was too expensive. So I wanted a budget friendly option, and I thought that this was great for it. So it's not too big, it's not too small, it's a good size. This is the place where you can attach your phone, your camera, whatever. It comes with this cord, USB cord, so you can plug it in to switch on the light, and it also has this remote here. So it has 3 different light modes. So it has warm light, it has cool light, it has the middle in between tone of light, and you can also control the brightness. So I really like this, and basically you can connect it to your tripod from here. So it gets connected to any sort of tripod, and I thought that it was really nice, budget friendly, size friendly, and an amazing option if you're looking for a ring light but do not want to splurge too much. The next thing is the phone cover. So I have misplaced that phone cover, which is why I can't show it to you guys right now, but obviously there will be a picture on screen so you can see it. So it was a silicone cover with a salmony pink color, and it was so beautiful, but I used it for quite a while and then it just got a little dirty, so I changed it. But the quality was amazing. I love silicone covers because you can just take them on and off very easily, and for us girls who don't have pockets, silicone covers come very handy so that we can put stuff inside it and use the back of our phone as our pockets. So I love that cover, and the quality was great, color was amazing, it was also not too expensive, so definitely check that out. The last random thing is something for all of you dog parents here. So this is a dog leash, and we bought it quite a while back, but it was so amazing that we haven't been able to buy any other leash after this because this is literally the best. So this leash basically, so it has this clasp into which you can just put it here. So basically this goes around your dog's neck as well as his body, so it keeps it in place. Your dog cannot slip out of it. I mean, he can, but the chances are less for him to slip out of it. And this thing here also is padded, so it's comfortable for your dog, and it is adjustable also according to his size. So I think that this is really perfect, and I think it comes in some other color also, like blue, I think. So I really like this. I really recommend it if you're looking for a strong sturdy leash because this was great. Okay, the last category is clothes. So the first thing that I want to show you guys in clothes is this t-shirt that I got from Amazon. So it's a simple plain cotton t-shirt with this design around the neck and around the sleeve. So it's a full sleeve t-shirt. I bought it at the beginning of winter, I think, and it's this amazing rich wine color which I really like. I also really like this pattern on the neck, this black and white pattern, and this is by the brand Fabricon. This is in a size XL. So I usually go for an L, but even this XL just barely fits me. So definitely size up if you're going to buy this. But other than that, the quality is amazing. It's very light, it's very comfortable. So I really like this t-shirt. It is perfect for like the pre-winter or post-winter spring kind of weather. So yeah, it's a great buy. The next clothing item are these black leggings. So I got these during summers because I wanted just a very basic pair of black leggings because they go with everything. And this one has white stripes on its side. And the only thing I was disappointed about was the material because this is kind of synthetic and I expected it to be more cottony. But other than that, it was very comfortable, stretchable, and yeah, it has elastic on top. So it was a good buy, but I just hoped that the material would have been cotton and it would have been perfect. The last thing and the best thing, because I've saved the best for the last, is this black jacket. So when I came here, of course, I left my actual jacket in Ahmedabad, but I wanted one jacket which I didn't want it to be too expensive because I already had a nice jacket there, but I also wanted something that would last me this winter season. So I thought of going to Amazon and buying a jacket, and I bought this plain black jacket, and I would say that this is the best and the most unexpected Amazon buy of mine. The quality is amazing, the material is great, it is not too thick, not too thin, it is perfect if you want to wear it on top of a sweatshirt or even a normal t-shirt. It is perfect. It has these white strings and it comes in a variety of colors. You can choose which one you want, and the length is also really nice, but again, size up in this. I got an XL and the sleeves still don't come till my hands, which I usually expect them to, but size up if you're buying this. And other than that, this was amazing. I have literally worn it the whole time during the whole winters and I really like it. Okay guys, so this was it for today's video. These were all of my Amazon favorites. Let me know if you liked any of them and actually bought them. I would really love to know that I could help you all. And with this, we come to the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to click the thumbs up button. Comment which was your favorite product or any other thing that you want me to ask, or if you have any Amazon recommendations, I would love to know them. And of course, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.